CJ Compton here at Morenci Road. This is the last crossing in the state of Michigan. We have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is a westbound train. And I do apologize for the sun and the glare in the video. I don't know what this train is, by the way. But I do know that all I know is that it is not far. I do apologize for the glare once again. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. It is going to be entering the Ohio state line. Here it comes. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. Here it comes. Roll it. Car's okay. And my phone did let me know to clean off the camera lens, which I don't know why. It might be just the sun causing that to happen. So otherwise, I hope my video turns out fine. For all I know, it looked like it turned out good. While the train was passing by. The symbol on that train is the Canadian Pacific. I believe it is the 731. Something new for me. I know of the 137. I don't know if it's an extra 137 or what. I know it's not the 734. I know that is a train, but it's in the opposite direction. That train starts out in Detroit, Michigan, heads west to Chicago, Illinois, where it terminates. The current time is 8:18 p.m. Eastern Time. Obviously, because we are in Michigan. Well, except for if you are watching this from the Upper Peninsula, or well up north, it could be Central Time, but I'm nowhere near that area. Anyway, that's just me saying something funny. Anyway, all on this Sunday, May 24th of 2026, from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. About that one video, yeah, I just realized about that one video, if I had mentioned about going to Packard Road, I was wrong. And about me saying that I wouldn't see anything go through, I was wrong about that as well. I was not up for a big surprise. Anyway, I guess that's it. So it's what I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it.